Hello, we are the Bring a Trailer local partners for the San Francisco Bay Area, and we are excited to present this Mechanics P1800. A 1970 P1800, our client, a longtime mechanic, acquired the car as a COVID project. This car has had every piece of it touched and now presents as an amazing driving car. We'll learn more about it after a cold start and a quick drive. As we mentioned, the owner of this car was a mechanic looking for a COVID project, and oh boy, did he find it with this car. It was a rusty, non-running project when our client found it. He went through the entire car. Mechanically, the engine was completely rebuilt. New cam, pistons, rings, new clutch, fuel injectors, pumps, brakes, suspension, all are either new or rebuilt. The car was then completely stripped down to do rust repair and a full paint job. The interior is all new as well. Over $20,000 was invested in this project, not including the countless hours the owner put into the restoration themselves. If you're looking for a great driving, newly rebuilt P1800, this is the one. It's now on Bring a Trailer. You can find out more at Genau AutoWerks.com. Thank you.